Hi, welcome to this short video on how to use Google Meet for the Young Scholars mock interview experience. So firstly, thank you so much for agreeing to participate in our mock interview experience. Let's go ahead and get started. On the day of the mock interview, which is Wednesday, July 7th, you will receive an email from me to your email address that I have listed in our contacts. So again, you want to verify in the email that I sent on Friday, please verify to make sure that that is the correct email to send you the Google Meet link and to connect with you with any changes. Okay, so on that morning, as I said, you're going to receive an email from me. It says happening now, and it'll say that I'm inviting you to a video meeting. There will be an icon there that says join the meeting, so go ahead and click on that icon. And then you want to click join now. Now I'm going to click on join now, and I also will mute myself because if I don't, there will be an echo, but you don't have to worry about doing that the day of the meeting. Okay, so now that you have joined the meeting, as you can see, I'm here joining the meeting. Just want to go over a couple of icons that may be helpful the day of. So at the bottom, they're typically found at the bottom. It may depend on the device that you're using, but you should have a panel with several different icons. The most important ones will be for muting and unmuting yourself. So there's a microphone there. For me, if it's highlighted in red, it may be a different color, then that means that I'm muted. So right now I'm muted. To unmute yourself, you just click on the microphone icon. So I'll show you what that looks like. So that was unmuted, and I didn't speak because, again, there will be an echo, but that's one icon that's important. The next one is the camera icon, so it looks like a camera. You can click on that to turn your camera on and off. You see when I did that, my image here, my camera went off, and so this is what the student would see, and if you want them to see your face, which I assume you do, you will click on that camera. The other important sort of icon or piece here that you may need that day is for the more options. They're typically found as these ellipses, so the 3 dots there. So if you click on that, and this is what you would use if you're having trouble with video or sound. You'll click on the 3 dots or the ellipses, and then go to the bottom settings, and the icon for that will be the cog there. You open up that, it'll have options for audio and video. Those are the 2 main options. So if you're having issue with your microphone, the students cannot hear you, or you're having issues hearing the students, click on the audio, make sure that's highlighted. And then if there's something wrong with your microphone and they can't hear you, you may need to change the microphone option. This may not be a problem, so you only have to use this if the students say they can't hear you. For me, I have the same microphone, so it's not going to matter in my case. Speakers is a case where you can't hear the students, and the students have tried some things to make sure that their sound is working. We'll be around to check with that as well. But if it's something that has to do with your speakers not connecting to the Google Meet, you may change this as well. If you're having issues with your camera, it may be set to a different camera. So for that, you'll click on video and then go to camera, and again, you may need to change the options. Again, I only have one, so for me, I don't need to change anything. But those are just sort of the basics if you've not used Google Meet before, the icons that you need to know: microphone, camera, and then use the ellipses to open up, and settings to open and change the microphone and camera settings. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I hope you found this video helpful, and have a quality day. Oh, last thing, how to log off. So it's quickly to log off, you would use the sort of looks like a telephone there, telephone top or whatever. You can go ahead and click on that, and that's how you would log off. Have a quality day.